Yes, we should always assess. Assess should be the starting point. We need to take in mind that people could have regressed or progressed in the workplace since the last time they've been in an educational institution or done a learnership, whatever the case may be. So, in a company, when we do a skills analysis, we tend to go for the highest qualification they've achieved. But if that highest qualification is, let's say, 20 years ago, someone might lose some of those skills. And sometimes that highest qualification is maybe on a lower level and they may have progressed on that level as well. So they might be better off than they were a couple of years ago. And we have to start accurately because I don't want to frustrate someone and I don't want to make someone feel that they're not up to it because that causes frustration and sometimes even dropout. So we should always assess to make sure that we've got the correct starting level. A lot of clients face this hurdle, and I think if you want to have a chat about it, I'm sure we'll have a solution for your site. You can arrange a chat with me.